In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress bar in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean visual way to track progress that updates itself as your numbers change. Start by creating a table database. You can do this on a new page or inside any workspace area. If you are starting fresh, create a page and choose a table view so you can see rows and columns right away. Think of each row as an item you want to track. Like a book you are reading, a project, milestone, or a habit streak. Next, add two number properties. One will be your current value. For example, pages read, and the other will be your goal. Like total pages, make sure both properties are set to the number type so Notion can calculate with them. You can rename them to anything that makes sense for your workflow. As long as you remember which one is the current amount and which one is the goal. Keep your units consistent if your goal is in pages. Your current value should be in pages too. Now add a new formula property and name it progress. This is where the progress bar will pull its value from. Open the formula editor and type prop current fa prop goal. This divides your current amount by your goal to produce a decimal. If your current is 50 and your goal is 100, the result will be 0.5. A quick tip. Make sure your goal isn't 0 to avoid errors. You can enter decimals for partial progress if needed. With the formula in place, configure how it's displayed. Click on any result in the progress column to open the property options. Then choose Edit Property. Change the number format to % so Notion converts that decimal into a readable percentage. Right below, set Show as to bar or ring, depending on your visual preference. Bar gives you a horizontal progress bar across the cell, while ring shows a compact circular indicator. Finally, customize the color and decide whether to show or hide the number. Pick a color that stands out in your table and choose whether you want the numeric percentage visible on top of the bar or ring. Showing the number is helpful for precision, while hiding it can create a cleaner, more minimal look. That's it. Enter your current and goal values for each row, and watch your progress bar update automatically. Thanks for watching.